In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's phone number on Cash App so you can connect or send payments easily. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap the profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile section where you can manage settings and access contacts. Inside your profile, you'll see an option called Invite Friends. Tap on it, and when prompted, click Allow and Continue to give Cash App permission to access your phone contacts. Once permission is granted, your contacts list will appear. This lets you see who is already on Cash App, and you can use it to invite friends or earn cashback offers if available. Next, go back to the search screen in Cash App. Here, you can type the name or email address of the person whose phone number you're trying to find. As you type, Cash App will display matching results based on the information you entered. This is how you can locate someone's phone number or confirm they are linked to a Cash App account. Remember, Cash App respects privacy, so you can only see phone numbers for users who have allowed their contacts to be visible. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently find someone's phone number on Cash App while keeping your interactions secure and private.